Well, it's been another day at the shop, so you get another update. Yeah, I don't know if a lot of you like the updates, but you know, I couldn't make a how-to video today. So update video is what you're getting. We have done a lot of work since you last seen it in the last update video. A lot of updates going on here, ain't they? Check it out. We got some tools in. Well, not tools, equipment in. Check it out. Looks pretty cool, don't it? This is a gear reduction. And this is for upgrade for the seat, the head and block Resurfacer. Solid state seat and guide machine. And they go up here to reduce this cutting tool speed to make smoother cuts on like aluminum heads and stuff. Because you want it nice, especially when somebody brings your head to resurface. So this big bad boy goes up top, right here. And you can see from the size of that one up there that this is going to be a fun install. Looks easy. I ain't never done it before, you know, installing these gears, but I guess we'll make a video together coming soon of how to do that and put the counterbalance, because we also got a counterbalance for this that cuts with one tooth. That's why it needs the gear reduction. You know, you're cutting with all those extra teeth. You just got one for cast, one for aluminum. And can you see? No instructions in this box, so it's just, hopefully you got enough common sense and machining equipment experience to understand how it works. If not, there's a calculator on Google for people who don't, like me. So, shop update, everything's being, you know, remodeling in here. This is where the kitchen sink is going. Over here, if you've seen the last video, it was in this one, under that cabinet thing. So we figured it'd be easier to plumb, because it wasn't plumbed in this building, it just setting off for looks. Next to the bathroom. So you come in here, have a coffee pot, you know, kitchen, maybe a stove. Refrigerator used to be right here, and it was in so rough shape, it wasn't worth keeping. So, oh, Avalanche Room was using it to stand. We got a double fuse boxes for all the equipment and stuff. That's all done now. The floor is done. The pit still ain't fixed. I do add a lumber that we bought and went and got on the LS swap. Rollback is, it's, you know, pretty low now. Pretty low. But we still got plenty. Probably enough to do all the little termite damage that we had inside the walls. And finish the bathroom floor, because it's not plumbed or done. And we added another bathroom in this too with a shower, because there just ain't enough room in this one. I mean, a man probably could do a walk-in shower, but that's a little tiny bathroom though. You know, all it needs is a commode and a sink, and we'll put shower and stuff in the back. For sure. I have to talk it over with Matt and Amy and them. See, you know, the prime location of that, where everybody wants it. Okay, so far we want the, as I know of, we're going to leave the head machine here in the corner. The hone, it's still up for debate. Probably though, we got to get the seat and guide machine in. Oh, I keep holding my phone funny. That's going to be the, you know, for like putting guides and seats and heads, because that's usually with a head job you need one of those. The floor needs painted, checkered, you know, probably, I don't know, we'll see. Maybe concrete paint, who knows. That's all in upcoming videos. That's all way into the future. We're just focusing on getting the drywall back up, the termite damage fixed, the other machinery in, you know, cleaning this place up. And just after years of setting, you know how a building just goes down. So we're fixing all that. The AC units was, and the heat pumps was serviced, thank you to the person that did that. They work pretty good. It keeps it nice and toasty in here, which the shop needs. Which we're lucky. A lot of shops ain't got a heat pump. This one has two. And you need them in the winter time. Trust me, it don't matter what shop you got. get you a heat pump. If it's small, get you a small one. And little, these are diesel heaters that you see all the time. The cheap ones, they do good too, the heat shops. You just got to vent the exhaust outside. But you know, then you got the cost of diesel. Pre-owned commode and zinc for the other bathroom. I still got a commode and zinc up at the other place that we might bring down here and use pots off of, because that one's missing a lid. This one, you know, came out of that bathroom. It's the same kind of zinc and stuff. I don't know. I think that's what we're using. Pretty 100% we're using that commode. So I don't know. Any of you viewers out there, machinists, you know, or have experience with machines, let me know in the comment section below how you think the gear reduction is going to work on this Blockmaster. You know, I like to know. You know, it'd be helpful, and I enjoy all the comments, and you know, people with more experience than me, I enjoy listening to them, and you know, I can be taught stuff. You know, I'm not the bigger man who thinks I know everything, because I don't. You know, a lot of stuff I got to figure out on my own, because let's just face it. Gotta turn the lights off. Be honest, way stuff costs anymore to get anything done, any home renovations, any remodeling and stuff. Any work you need done to your vehicle, if you can possibly do it yourself, because the labor is where most of the brunt of the money's at. Because you get 5 or 6 men to come in and do something, or 2 people work on your vehicle. You know, like a shop. What's a shop going shop rate on a vehicle if they don't charge by the job? A lot of shops around here personally charges by the job. If it's not a car dealership, they'll charge you by the job, which comes out better, because a car dealership charges you by the hourly rate of how long it takes to do that job. So if I get that job done in an hour, you paid, if that job calls for 8.5 hours, you pay the 8.5 hours. Now, if you take somebody who did that before, that charges by the job, you just pay, if it takes 10 hours, that one fee. If it takes them 5 minutes, you pay that one fee. I always preferred people who quote jobs by the job, not by the hour. Yeah, it just seems better. I think customers prefer that. Do you prefer by the hour, or do you prefer by the job? Comment below. So, thanks for watching. I'm going to jump off here, edit this video. Hopefully we can bring the MX6, I miss my MX6, MX3 down here and troubleshoot the blower motor. I got it and it worked. And it's sure enough, on the way home, it just said, I'm not going to work no more. I got a new owner. Let's fall to pieces. Joys about a used car. Yeah. So see you next time. Thanks for watching. Thanks for the support. Take care.